This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. Open house. Saturday, March 4th, 11 a.m. to 3:00 p.m. Updated home on a level lot. No steps. No carpet. Roof, HVAC, flooring, kitchen, appliances, hot water heater all replaced within the past 5 years. Leaf guard installed on gutters 2022. Vaulted living/dining room opens onto a lovely sunroom. The U-shaped kitchen features ample cabinets and granite countertops. There is a separate laundry room that leads to a 2-car garage. This easy living home is located on a quiet street close to the East Gate. For more information, review the details below or contact Hamp Wilson at 501